Here we go, cowboy again. Here's a big barge coming through and heading out towards the end of the canal. Not going to the power plant that I know of. Doesn't look like it.
There's a train coming.
But you see the size of that barge. That's about the size barge that'll set in over there at the power plant. I'm going to watch it for a minute and make sure it's not going to set in down there, but I don't think so. But I'll stop here and we'll get a look and see what he's going to do. He's probably headed out to the end. He's got a tug right behind him though, so we'll see. Not sure if they're going to set it in down here or not. They might be. We'll find out. It'll just take a minute. If he'll start slowing down and the other barge will go out and around to get ready to set it in place. We might get lucky and we might see this barge being set in place.
How old is it, huh? Around 65.
Okay, we're still waiting to see what it's going to do here. If it's going to go in, they'd be starting to slow down and they'd be getting ready to set it in, but we'll wait and see. If this is what they're going to do, I'll turn around and ride back so you can see them setting it in, but I'm not sure. Looks like they're just going to head straight out. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be slowing down. Looks like it's going to head out to Cape Cod Bay. Yeah, that's what it appears. Looks like the other tugs. Looks like it's just going to fall. I don't think they're going to set it in. No, if they haven't slowed down, they'd start slowing down by now if they were going to.
Oh yeah, they're not going to stop.
No. Just watch it for a minute and see.
I don't know. That's weird, because look at what the other tug's doing.
I know. Just watching it still to see what it's going to do.
Yeah.
It appears that it's going to keep going, but that's what I'm waiting to see. Yeah, it looks like it's heading out to Cape Cod Bay. It doesn't look like it's going to set in place.
Huh.
Would have been nice. I could have had a nice video shot of it.
Huh.
One of these times I'll come down here and I'll catch the one that's setting a tug in barge in place so you can see it. It's pretty good to watch. Yeah, it's passing right by the power plant. So, oh well, I tried. Oh well. This is Cowboy from the Cape, and I guess that's going to be it. We're not going to see a barge come into place. Kind of disappointing. I was hoping to see that. Okay, well, goodbye everybody. See ya.